The way you start your morning shapes your mood, focus, and energy. Well, these 3 following nature rituals changed everything for me. They are simple, gentle, and deeply grounding for busy professionals. Well, number 1, the first is the sunlight ritual. Step outside or go by a nearby window and just bask in the sunlight. Just enjoy the ray of light falling on your face, on your body, and breathe very slowly. Be mindful as to what's running through your body, and just silently surrender to the moment. This sets your circadian rhythm, reduces stress, and boosts your mood. Well, 2, it's all about the breath work. Look at something natural, and while you're doing that, inhale for 4 seconds and then exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat this often. It anchors your morning energy and clears mental clutter. We're coming to the 3rd one. It's all about journaling. Sit with your journal in a very calm space where there is sufficient light, and you can probably sit near a plant, any natural object, and make sure nobody disturbs you out there. Well, there are a few prompts which you could write to. 1, what energy do I want today? 2, what can I release? 3, where can I be more grounded? You can journal for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or you can take in more time just to give that space for yourself. Please do that. Well, these are 3 rituals in the morning which truly changed my life, and I do it often during the day as well, not just in the morning. These rituals take hardly 5 minutes, but they can shift your entire day. You can choose to do it more often during the day as well, and you can choose to do 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I leave that to you, but the key is to do these activities mindfully and consciously, so make sure you don't miss out on that. You can surely try it out tomorrow morning, and let me know how you felt. What were the thoughts running in your mind, what you felt in your body, and please let me know. And let's explore, experience, and evolve.